Hi, my name is G. Schmedeke. I use he, they pronouns, and I'm a music major, and this is my room. And I'm not quite done like setting everything up, but my favorite part of everything is all my instruments. I play bass and guitar and keyboard. I'm majoring in violin performance, so my violin is hiding over there right now, but I have a stand for it, so it'll be up soon. These are my plants. They're my favorite thing, and they all have names, but I don't remember them all right now. I have another keyboard over here. I really like to make electronic music, and so I'm excited about that. And I, of course, am obsessed with music history, so I have all of my music history and music theory books on my desk. And then I have my wonderful creepy birds that disturb my family. Okay.